Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's make maths easy. Today we are going to learn a magic trick in which we will learn how to multiply a 2-digit and 3-digit number by 11 within a second. Okay? Uh, I we all know that the multiplication table of 11 is very easy. Yes, because if we take a single digit number 2, and if we multiply this number by 11, we will get the single digit number the twice in the answer. Yes, repeated twice in the answer. Yes, now if I write 9 into 11, yes, I know it is 99. But what if a number, what if we take a number two digit number? Okay, uh, yes, if we want this answer like this within a second, so what we have to do? No, we are not going to multiply it like this, because it will take a time, not much time, but it will take uh, approx 1 minute. Yes, it can take, and we want an exact answer in this much time only, in a second only. Then what and how, what can we do and how can we find this? Yes, so here a magic trick. Yes, if we take any two digit number, let us take 11 only. The two digit number is 11 only. Then what will be our answer? Yes, here the first digit is 1, so in the final answer also our first digit will be also be 1, and here it is second digit is 1, so here will also be the last digit. Last digit is 1. Here in answer will also you will write last digit as same as the our number. So and what will become in middle? The addition of that both, it is 2. Yes, so now let us take another example. Let us take 24 into 11. Yes, it is a two digit number. I have taken 24. Now we will get three digit number. First digit will be same as the first digit 2, and last digit will be same as the second last digit is 4. Now what will become in the middle? Addition of both. Addition of both will be 6. 2 plus 4 6. Yes, this is the true answer, this is not false. Okay, you can check, you can check in calculator, or by you can check it by doing here also. 24 into 11, what will be the answer? 1 4 is 4, 1 2 is 2, 1 4 is 4, 1 2 is 2, is 4 6 2. Yes, in the middle always the sum of that number, sum of the both digits. Okay, yes, it now it is very easy to find. uh, Write in the comment box that what is the 35 into 11, what will be 35 into 11. Yes, it's your work. Now coming to the three digit, I will not take your much time. Yes, if we are multiplying any three digit number, we will get a by 11, we will get four digit number as answer. Okay, now let us suppose my three digit number is 1 2 3. Okay, now what we will get? The here first digit will be same as the first digit. Okay, same 1 here. Okay, 3, last digit will be same as the last digit of the number we have taken, of the number we have to multiply. It's 3 here. Now what will become, what will come here? Yes, here it will come the addition of this two. First two addition will come here. What is the addition? 3. Now the addition of this will come here. Yes, 2 plus 3 5. Yes, you can check it in calculator or by doing yourself. Okay, now let us take another example. 3 4 5 into 11, what will be the 4 our answer? Now yes, you all know the first digit will be same, last digit will be same. Now here the addition of this two is 3 plus 4 is 7, and addition of this two is 4 plus 5 is 9. Yes, 9. So our answer is this. Now let us take another example. 6, 5 and 7, okay, into 11. What will be our answer? Now 6, I will write here 6 first digit and last digit is 7. Yes. Now the addition of this will be 11. This is more than, this is not a, we are getting here not a single digit. Yes, here we are getting 6 plus 5 is 11, two digit number is this place, at this place. Now here also 5 plus 7 is 12, so here also we are getting two digit number, so this is not our correct answer. So for this we have to solve this further. It will take only 1 second more. Now it, these are two digits, four digit number in between, but we want only two digit na, because we total we want only four digit answer. So what we will do now, add this number and add this. Yes, bus. Now 6 plus 1 is 7. Here 1 plus 1 is 2. Yes, and now remaining 2 and 7. This is the answer. If you want to check it is this correct or not, you can check. We can check. Yes, 7 5 6, sorry. uh, so 6 5 7. I'm rubbing this. Yes. What was our number? 6 5 7 into 11. 1 7 is 7. 5 6 7 5 6 7 5 7 12. 6 6 12. 7 2 2 7. Our final answer is 7 2 2 7. Same. Now I hope you got this trick and you will use whenever it is whenever you have a number, larger number or a two digit or three digit number, you can solve